Hey all, we just finished the last project over there on the barge, as much as I can do with the barge, so I'm going to go ahead and get the barge out of here and move on to the next project. Leave a crew there, go ahead and start getting the framing done and bolting done and decking laid. But we got a 250-foot seawall we're moving to over at Villa Venice right now. And we got 2 boathouses to do, a couple decks over there also. Then we'll be moving to the next projects. We definitely had a lot of problems getting materials because of the COVID problem and material and plants and factories being shut down. So y'all please bear with us. We'll get to you as soon as we can, as soon as we get our materials in and can do your job. If y'all would take it easy on the office staff also. They feel like they're operating the complaint department today. Everybody calling, complaining about us not being there. It's really hard to find employees. All of our guys are out there busting their tails 10, 12 hours a day, every day of the week, up in Saturdays too. So if y'all would, please be patient. We'll get to you and get them taken care of. Thanks. Hey guys, we made it to our next DMC makeover. We got a couple old seawalls here and docks that have failed, definitely lived their life. We're gonna be tearing these out and putting new seawalls in, 6-foot exposed, vinyl sheet pilings, probably naval style wall. We got a boathouse going on this one and a boathouse and dock going on the other one here also. So I'll keep videoing this as we go and get them posted to show you how we make this yard beautiful. Here's a little thing I just came up with. I attached a 8-inch aluminum I-beam to my thumb, trying to get a good flat grip on these sheets. I got 200 foot of wood wall to take out, so hopefully this will make it quick. Let's see, first try. Usually got to take them out one at a time and jet them up. This here is going to expedite the process and hopefully get all the boards out of the ground at one time. Okay, I think I might have a patent. New invention here. I need to get a patent on it for or y'all steal it. Look at that. That's nice. You like that, bro? What do you think about that? Dale Hickman invention? I like it. I like it. That saved us a lot of time right there. You wanna watch that bag? I just gotta get where I can lay them down straight. Let's go ahead and get some ribbons out. We can lay those, we'll just do it as we go so we don't have a big mess. Hey, Todd, you can do 2. You want to take that off so it'll hit somebody?
Yeah.
You? Hey, I was going to leave it on there because some of those poles I can't get. You can put that nylon strap on and pull them out. Because if the pole's in the way, I can't grab the sheets. You want to leave it on?
I don't have a problem.
Hook it back up to itself, yeah. Hey, on those boards that's laid down, the ones that are really bad or not usable, make 2 separate stacks, okay? If the bottom portion, like 3 or 4 foot's good, then it's good. Hey guys, as you can see in my previous video, we had started on the Shoreline Park boat ramp docks. We won this contract and we were supposed to get started on it August 3rd. We had that 40,000 pound elevator lift to complete, which took us additional 2 days. And we were working on the seawall at the same time. So customers were nice enough to let me pull off this job so I could get over here and get these docks rebuilt at the time frame that was allotted for the city of Gulf Breeze. I really appreciate that. And as soon as we get these knocked out, hopefully this Friday, be about 2 weeks, maybe a day or 2 every 2 weeks doing this. We'll be back over there on those long seawalls. I really appreciate the customers for their patience. Hey y'all, thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now. Hit the like and share button. If you got any comments or questions on how we do this, please feel free to leave me a message and I'll try to get back with you. Got a lot more projects coming up, so y'all keep on watching.